What is up, guys? It is Lampava, and we're playing Stray. Any game that you guys want me to keep playing, leave 5 likes. If I can get 5 likes, I'll keep recording and doing more uploads for the game you guys want me to do. And yeah, let's get into this. Oh, nice weather we're having. Look at the moon. Oh shoot. Why is it red? From what I know about this game, I think you're in like, what are those called? Like a bad environment. Let's go with that. And I guess you play as a cat, and like, I think there's a bunch of robots. I don't know. Pretty much all I know about this game. I didn't expect much from it, but apparently people like it. Because you get to play as a freaking cat! Alright, what do we got? Triangle for what? Oh my god! Bro, he playing with his tail, bro. He like, get off me, bro. My cat like, I'm gonna smack you, bro. I'm gonna... oh, bro, what? Okay. Alright, so I guess we just play with the cats then? Do you think... There's a door? Is it to run? Oh, here we go. Access control system. Okay. Alright, what's this one? It's orange and white cat. Oh, they fighting. Bro, they knew what they're doing with this game when they try to make these guys cute, bro. My god. Alright, we're gonna push this one off the cliff. Oh. It's just cats being cats, bro. Amazing. I just went through that cat. Bro, what am I doing? Alright, oh, are we taking a nap? Oh, we taking a nap, boys. Okay. Wakey, wakey. Eat it! Eat the butterfly. Bro, this game, bro. Look, like when the butterfly gets off, his ear twitches. Gotta respect the devs. They're like, what that cat doing? Let's go sneak up on him, push him off the cliff. He's like, yeah, I'm ready. What are they? Oh, am I back there? Oh, I think I am. They're like waiting for me. Okay, come on. Inside the wall. If that red text says anything in an actual language, someone translate it in the comments. Because it looks like it's just made up language, but I feel like if I say that and it's actually not, I'm gonna feel really bad for it. You know. I just said that anyway, so. Great. I'm cancelled, guys. Bro, why is the cat doing all the parkour? I want to do some of the parkour. Where's my cat at? I only see 3 cats. There's supposed to be a black one as well. Oh, there he is. Oh, you behind. Alright. Gotta check behind us. What we got? Is that where we were? Up there? I think we were. I don't know. Alright. This... What? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, and then meow with me, bro. It's my little gang, bruh. We can climb up stuff. Oh my gosh, can we climb up this? Oh my gosh. Oh. Look at me. Parkouring my way around here. Oh, watch, I don't need these cats. What we got? Alright. We got the moves. We got the moves. Alright, get up here. Jump up here. Alright, then we go down. There's a door here. I'm guessing all the doors don't matter. Yeah, it's not like we can open them. I mean, technically cats can open doors if they got a handle. They can just jump up and grab one. If the cat's smart enough. Alright, we just strudling along. Strudling? Bro, my English is not correct. Where's the rest of my cats? Uh-oh. Oh, they're coming. I'm too fast for them, bro. Oh, hold. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. I could just spam it, game, but you know. Sound effects. Ooh, love it. Alright. Who knew a cat could make so much noise landing on metal? Guess we go down here. The dead end. Oh, no, wait, do we go down here? Oh, yeah, we do. Oh my gosh! Look at it! Good. What we got here, bro? What we got? Alright. Is it just me, or does this look like I should be climbing down? Can I get over there? Oh, no way. Yeah. I think I have to get on this, that, and then right here. Uh-oh. You got it, bro. Yeah, jump. There you go. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, no. Get back up. No! Get back up! Come on! Come on! You can do it! No! Uh-oh. You good, mate? Oh, he knocked out. He did. Okay. Assuming that's my cat. Even though I got there first. Apparently, I just let everybody go first ahead of me. They're meowing for me. That's nice. Am I ever going to see them again? Okay, I think my cat tripping. Oh. Doing? Why is he? Oh, he did. My cat did. Did I do something wrong? Guys, I think I messed up. I got the bad ending. Why are those trash bags moving? Bro. Look at it. It is jamming, bro. Oh. There's, gigantic ass, what do you call those things? I was about to say mice, but I know that's not what I'm looking for. Ticks, that's what I meant to say. Jeez, why did that word just not cross my mind? Alright, can I not run? Oh, I can struttle. I can't say the words! Alright, it's this trash bag right here. Alright, I'm guessing one of those, like, tick things were just jamming inside of it. Oh my gosh. Bro, we got a whole, like, suburb. Oh, Dead City. Never mind. What? Oh, shoot, what the heck? Something tells me these guys are not friendly. Alright. Guess we gotta... Where are we going? Can I... Nope. Okay, stuck in the boxes. Alright. You're telling me the cat can get... Okay. Now, any other cat? That kit. The cat will fall, trust me. Bro, what? Are you bro, what? Okay, game. I mean, you do you. Top bell... Oh, help. Okay. Sorry, I was trying to read the whole sign, not just the working lights. Look at me go. Oh, shoot. Watch your boy. Oh, this way. I thought I was going upwards. Okay, I'm guessing we go this way. Hello? Oh my gosh. We gotta bring the bucket somewhere, I bet. Why would it just let me grab it? We gotta go through there? Oh! Bro, I'm a genius, look at that. Oh no, don't tell me. Oh, let's go! Look! Ah! They did not just give me a whole... And the final... That's how you make an entertaining game, guys. That's how you do it. Alright, now to actually get to where we need to go. Tell me I can't, like, jump right there? Oh, yep. Oh, I can! Bro, what? Haha. Sorry about your roof. Come on. Wait, that was glass? Telling me that was glass, bro? Okay. I wasn't even trying to break the glass. Oh, bro. Imagine going to your home and your room looks like this, bro. And the cat's just looking at you just like, my fellow cats did it. I was just coming down with the barrel. What am I supposed to do with the rug? What? Do I press them at the same time? Oh! Oh my gosh. Hold on. Oh! Oh! Oh, look at it! Oh, that's entertaining. Alright, oh, you can do both rugs. Bro, I'm screwing up this guy's house. I'm gonna stop. This way? Oh, I wouldn't drink that if I were you. I don't know. Oh, this for rainwater. Never mind. What? Am I supposed to do something here? What? Oh. You are not telling me I'm heavier than that. You are not telling me I'm heavier than that. Nuh-uh. I'm gonna get you. No, I'm gonna get you. You just went in the stairs! You just went in the... Bro, they did not just do that. Hey, look, there's more.
And scurry like a roach.
Hello there. Oh, jeez, my cat, bro. Hello.
We're gonna need an ambulance down here.
Bro, you killed him. Bro. My cat's a murderer. I think it's telling me to go up here. What? Wait, what we got here? Oh, hell nah. Boom! Hey, catch me now. Ain't gonna catch me slacking. Alright, little, head rub? Alright. Oh, geez, better lag. Alright. You telling me my cat has electronic meow powers? I'm assuming the silence means yes. What? Oh, that's crazy. You know, these are kind of crazy. So wait, a meow. Dude, if I meow, it turns off and flickers. What? That's crazy, bruh. My cat built different. These things were just made for me, what? Come on, put me over here. Alright. Over here, and over here, yeah. I got a hiccup. Alright. Bro, my cat is way too smart, bro. Oh, over here? My cat has the craziest jumping powers. Let me get down. Ooh. That looks stable. Alright. Oh. Wait, come here. Oh, we roll it.
They see me rolling, they hate it.
The way he walking. Over here? Oh. Okay. Where now? Uh-oh.
I'm falling!
Well, good thing I'm not the board. You saw how long that thing was falling? Oh, aha! There we go. Okay, get on the sign. We gotta get up there. How do we get up there? Oh, I see. What? Is it telling me where to go? Okay. Up here? Hey, you just gave me the symbol. Come on. There we go. Can't see what's happening, but I'm doing it anyway. Go over here. Not too hard to figure out, I must admit. Over here, maybe? Okay. Oh yeah, your boy in reverse. The fact that cat can jump that high, though. We ain't going back that way. You heard that? Okay. Oh. Guys, I think I broke your air conditioner. The flat? Okay. Well, we're in another person's house. What? Oh, bro, you're telling me we're... What? Is it actually accurate to what I'm typing? I can't tell. Not really. I'm just saying that's some bad security. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, we're trapped in here. Okay, I understand what I'm supposed to do. Gotta take the power plugs and put them in there. Gotta find them all. There's one. Oh, no, come on. Oh, get in there. There we go. Just need one more. Wherever it is. Is that it? I mean, it looks shiny. There we go. Ooh. Sorry about your head, mate. What am I doing? I was like, what is this music? What is this? What is that? Goggles? Am I supposed to put this somewhere here? Oh, yeah, perfectly, where the arrows are all pointing. Ooh. Bro, what? It just morphed. Kind of a malfunction there, huh? It's a cat, bro.
Yo, get the fuck out of my way.
Bro, why'd my cat do that? Keep hitting it. Keep doing that, yeah. Bro, I just did a backflip. What? I'm not reading this, by the way. Well, I'm skimming through it. But if you guys want to read it, just pause the video. Okay. Bro, that looks like a wall of spikes. Okay. Battery low already. What? You on low battery? I just fixed you. Bro, what kind of technology is this? Bro, my cat dead. Okay. Bro, bro, what is it? Why is my cat walking like that, bro? Okay, bro, my cat has a whole inventory. Examine keys. Okay, cool, we got keys now. Get out of this flat? That's one way of saying it, I guess. Alright, what do we use the key on? Oh, this? Okay, got it. Don't really like the buttons too much. We got a torch. Oh, I don't like that, actually. It makes it creepy, I don't know. Alright. Input code. What? Code? This is one of those puzzles, bro. I'm terrible at puzzles. Alright, I guess I'll be right back as soon as I figure out how to put in the code. Oh, guys, I found it. It's right here. 3T48. What? Oh, 3748. Alright. It's in this room next to the door. Three, 7, 4, 8. There we go. Back the door can be pushed by a cat. I don't think that's metal, guys. Alright, come on, let's go. Oh my gosh. Look at it go! Oh my gosh, what is all that? Good thing we don't have to run through all that, we'd die. You remember the outside. It just collects paper. Can you... What? What? I don't know. You're programmed. How about that? Let's go with that. New memory correct. Okay. We got collectibles, I guess. Am I supposed to go down? Oh yeah, I am. Another one. Alright, see about that. Ah, that doesn't look good to me. Oh, they chasing me! Suck on that, guys. You guys can't climb. Hey, yo! Got a robot over here. The slums. Oh. Boo! Let me get you. Oh. Oh, I'm out of here. Ah! Get me out! Well, okay. I guess I'm not welcome here because I'm a cat. This place is racist. Oh, shoot. Okay. Bro, how do they know the cat is a threat? What did I do? Hello there. I must come closer, forget you. Bro, okay, I was gonna see what would happen if I just left. Yes, I much understand your language, sir. You think I can eat anyone? Guys, you're made out of metal. Bro, this man turned into a horn. But why do they walk in after like they can use the force? Okay. Talk with the Guardian. Shoot. We can show him a postcard. Momo. Opening at the orange neon sign. Oh. Okay. Alright, I think that does it for this episode, guys. If you guys want more Stray, I need 5 likes. That's the goal. But yeah, so far this game is pretty cool. A lot of you know, parkouring, stuff like that. You're a cat, I mean, it's fun. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe if you do enjoy this content. And I know I'm just one person out of millions, but your support really helps me out. And yeah, appreciate it. Have a good day. Good day.
Rhythm is a dancer.